Happening now, history in the making as the first Arizonans apply for their medical marijuana cards. Tonight, we have the first ever snapshot of who's applying and which medical conditions are being cited the most. ABC 15's Christina Boomer just returned from the health department. And Christina, what are they saying stands out to them so far?
Well, to give you a sense of how new this process is, the reporting element isn't even in place yet. That means state workers literally had to tally the numbers you're about to see by hand. Let's go ahead and look at those together. You're going to notice that the age groups are on the left, the number of applications on the right. 18 to 30-year-olds submitted the most applications, but you'll notice they're pretty evenly distributed across the various age groups. Now, the director for the state health department tells me that's a good sign, and tonight he explains why. Take a listen.
That's a hallmark of potentially a medical marijuana program because people with debilitating medical conditions occur in all age ranges. The hallmark of a recreational program is when you have cardholders who are dominated by guys in their 20s.
Will Humble tells me by 3 o'clock they had processed 65 applications. Of those, 44 were approved, 21 were deemed deficient. The reasons varied, but they denied cards to several people today simply because they didn't provide a clear picture.
So, for example, we had one guy who attached a picture of himself, but there's another young lady next to him with her arm around him.
He says if you're applying for a card, think passport photo, not Facebook profile, when looking for a picture to submit. Most of the applicants were men, and most cited chronic pain as their condition.
Yes, there were about more than 50% of the applications were from chronic pain, but it wasn't like in Colorado where it's over 90%.
Other conditions included HIV, cancer, and seizures. The first applicant of the day, a 60-year-old Scottsdale man suffering from Crohn's disease.
That's precisely what this program is supposed to be all about, somebody just like that. And we'll see if that trend holds over time.
Christina Boomer, ABC 15 News.